Hi everyone, welcome. So I wanted to talk a bit about corrosion. So here we have 4 kitchen knives in various stainless steels. So let's take a closer look at some of them. Okay, so this guy here was manufactured in China with supposedly VG10 as the core of this laminated steel, and I'm not sure what the hammered layers are. So this side is fine, but if we flip it over, we have some corrosion going on here in the hammered area. Now I'm not too worried about this because the corrosion here is very minor and I think I can easily polish it out. However, some of these other knives are more problematic. So this guy is a very cheap Japanese style knife. Someone gave it to me for free. So this side is fine. However, if we flip it over, this side has a lot of corrosion going on. So what's the difference between this side and this side? Well, the side with the corrosion was stored face up. And that seems to be a theme going on with my kitchen knives. The side that is stored face up on a counter on a microfiber cloth is the side where the corrosion is occurring. Now I'm not sure why this is happening. I'm not sure if it's dust particles settling on the blade and acting as a nucleus for corrosion or what. But the corrosion definitely tends to occur on the side facing up. So here we have about a $15 knife. Supposedly the blade is constructed of X50 CR MOV 15, which is 0.5% carbon and about 14 to 15% chromium. This steel is used on a ton of German kitchen knives and a ton of kitchen knives. So this side looks relatively fine. If you flip it over on the side that was stored facing up, you have corrosion going on both on the flat area of the blade and also in these Granton cutaways. Not sure if you can see that. So I'm going to try to buff this out maybe tomorrow. Here we have a cold steel knife. The blade is VG1, which is 1% carbon and 13 to 15% chromium. Now, I've tried to polish out the corrosion on this guy several times. Not sure how well you can see the corrosion. Whenever I use these knives in the kitchen, I do wash them off and dry them thoroughly. So I don't think that is the issue. I think it's exposure to just humidity in the air that's causing the corrosion, or that's the main cause of the corrosion. The humidity here averages between about 50% and 75%. So it's rather humid here all year round. We don't have that crazy kind of high humidity that you see in places like Southeast Asia, like in Bangkok or Hanoi, where you wake up at midnight and you're just dripping in sweat. But it is rather humid here all year round, and corrosion is an issue on anything metal that comes into the house. One hint that I can give you is do not store your knives out in the open. It seems to be much better if you store your knives inside a drawer, and inside a box, inside a drawer would be even better. Another tip I have is do not leave your blades in cardboard sleeves that they come from the manufacturer in, such as Bark River ships their knives in a very thin cardboard sleeve. That cardboard sleeve tends to promote corrosion. So don't store your blades in that. You're much better off storing them in some kind of plastic guard or even like a Ziploc bag. These are stainless steel drawer handles at my house, and they exhibit the same pattern of corrosion, with almost all of the corrosion being on the top surface of the stainless steel and very little being on the bottom surface. These are some stainless steel stays for some bike fenders, which I purchased but never installed. They were stored in my bedroom with this side facing up, and they were never ever exposed to liquid water. So taking a closer look at them, you can see there's quite a lot of corrosion going on this side. But on the side that was facing down, there's hardly any corrosion at all. Okay, well, I think that's all for now. If you have any questions or ideas about this, please comment in the comment section below. And I'd appreciate it if you could like and subscribe and do all that. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye now.